Has your bank account also been frozen? And when you go to the bank and ask, sir, why my bank account frozen? Please give me the detail. They start looking at you like you are suspicious. Instead of proper information, sometimes they only give an acknowledgement number or sometimes nothing at all. Now imagine this. Sitting at your home, you can find out exactly why your bank account is frozen, where it was frozen from, which authority froze it, and get the complete and accurate detail of that authority, including official contact number and other important informations that you have legal right to know. Now just do that. You will also get the proper guidance and support to help you get your bank account defreeze step by step. No confusion, no running bank to bank, only clear answer, real help and real result. Introducing bholesingh.com. Your rights, your money, our responsibility. Book your case, review today and take the first step toward defreezing your account. Now click on start legal process. After clicking, simply enter the detail of the bank account that has been frozen, especially where the bank is not providing proper information. Fill account holder name, mobile number, email address, bank account details, bank IFSC code, bank name, bank branch details. Then you have to upload your Aadhaar card front side and back side. After entering all the information, you just have to click on submit and pay. The fees is just 29. Honestly, that's less than what most people spend on one coffee. But this step can help you move forward in your legal process to unfreeze your account. After clicking submit and pay, you can complete the payment easily using a QR code. Once the payment is done, you will see a payment successful message on the screen. You also receive a unique tracking ID. Please copy the tracking ID, and even if you do not worry, it will automatically be sent to your registered email address. Please copy this tracking ID. Even if you do not worry, it will automatically be sent to your registered email address. Using this tracking ID, you can easily track your status anytime. Just click on track status now. Just you have to go to this page, enter the tracking ID you have received in your email, then click on check status. You can check the name of the client, Ramesh Kumar Singh. Estimated time, this client have 20 to 35 days remaining. Client name is Ramesh Kumar Singh. Estimated time 25 to 35 days is still left, but he get his information. You can see the latest legal remark. This is to inform you that the information related to your Bank of Baroda account, which was previously frozen, has been attached for your reference. The information requested by you has been successfully provided. If you require any further assistance, please feel free to contact us. Regards, admin. You can easily download it from here. Here is an official document. You can see here is the official information provided to Ramesh Kumar Singh from Bank of Baroda. As you can see, our client detail have already been received. This is the complete transparent process at bholesingh.com. Thank you so much.